Hello everybody, my name is Nguyễn Ngọc Huy. I'm a disaster risk reduction specialist working at Vietnam Japan University in Hanoi. And we have in our team with Dr. Dương Trọng Hải, is an IT expert working at Nguyễn Tất Thành University, Ho Chi Minh City. And Dr. Tong Thi, disaster risk reduction specialist working at Hanoi University of Natural Resources and Environment. Today we will like to propose our proposal on mobile application for disaster and extreme events early warning. This is a core model of public and community crisis data for urban disaster resilience in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. First of all, we would like to explain why Ho Chi Minh City is selected for our project. So you know that Ho Chi Minh City is the most urbanized and biggest city in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City contributes the largest GDP for the development of the countries. However, Ho Chi Minh City is facing many challenges related to climate change and urban development, so it's including rapid urbanization, traffic jam, high tides, extreme rainfall events, and salinity intrusion. And also, Ho Chi Minh City is faced with another environmental sustainability. Now we would like to provide you some brief information about the flood situation in Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City is impacted by two kinds of floods: the floods by high tide and floods by heavy rainfall. And sometimes the floods by heavy rainfall come together with high tide, so it causes more trouble for the people of Ho Chi Minh City. You can see that on the video that many people on the streets, they complain about the flood situation and also about the early warning system, that they could not have information to respond to the floods. One of my research conducted in Ho Chi Minh City in 2016 indicated that there are different groups that are vulnerable to floods. They are children, they are students, the people who are living in the lowland area, the migrants, small traders, taxi driver, and the workers. The problem is that people do not know when and where will be flooded for their planning and for response. That means the early warning system is still very limited in Ho Chi Minh City until now. And in here, we will explain why disaster early warning and why browsers data. We know that the information is the key for disaster risk reduction. People can manage their disaster risk reduction plan better with real-time early warning information. And in Vietnam, the community-based disaster risk reduction is one of the national programs so far implementing in the rural area, but not just in the urban area. Community contribute to the disaster risk reduction, and community gets benefits from disaster investment. The more people involved, the more data and information being shared. And why mobile phone application? You know that the number of people who are using smartphone are increasing, especially in the urban area. The social media also increasing. The internet, Wi-Fi, 3G and 4G are available everywhere in the urban area. And here's a different step that we will use for our project. There's 4 steps. The first step will be the stakeholder involvement, and we will try to involve the different agencies from national level, like Disaster Management Center and Community-Based Disaster Management Department under Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. We will involve the Center for Flood Control in Ho Chi Minh City, and also the insurance company, the taxi company, and other private sectors. After that, we will develop the apps. So the app will be developed for both Android and iOS that everyone can install in their cell phone. We will do the testing and then consultation with the different stakeholders, and then finalize the apps and upload to the stores. After that, we will do the campaigns with the selected squads in Ho Chi Minh City, with taxi driver, student in the university in Ho Chi Minh City, with worker, with small traders group, and link the app with the social media. And then finally, we will transferring and developing for national-wide.
In this part, we will introduce about the product demo of our mobile application for disaster and extreme events early warning. Our mobile app should be contain three parts: disaster early warning, traffic condition, and real-time information. First, disaster early warning: weather, storm coming, flood warning, and salinity is chosen. In our mobile application, we focus on a daily life issue is traffic condition. We will update every time people in community upload a text, picture, video, or streaming. The another issue is also worrying in the city, flooding. User can see any flood street, flood area with the detailed information to make a decision to joining the transportation. And the last one in our product demo is the real-time information. This is the thing that make our apps different from the other. Instantly, we try to observe the information from one flood area. The information will be shown in a card. Each card has several categories, such as street, starting, ending, address, level, time, and date. You can see this card should be updated in real time. That means the statement of the area or street will be timely. Furthermore, we have the recommendator to suggest the way to avoid the flood area. And the next, we will introduce about the concept of our app. The chart shows the four components, which are community-based, big data analytics, real-time data, and the last one is forecast and prediction. On the item like photos, live stream videos, text comments could be uploaded to our server, but not only some fixed point like street camera. We need the contribution of all the community of Ho Chi Minh City. Our backend solution will be based on Apache Spark. This is the most popular engine now for big data analytics. Our situation is suitable for big data concept. This shows the model of our big data analytics using cloud computing. Real-time feature, we plan to use Apache Spark streaming. This technology will handle the data from users to our server. And finally, we want to introduce the concept demo of user interface. In general, the screen has four main parts: the information of user, the history of contribution of user, the text comment, and the photo or video. This is the way to submit to our server from user, from community.
Finally, we would like to present about the risk management of the zip project. Of course, we will consider about how to control the fresh data from Docker, how the app could be used daily, that people will not forget this, and how sustainable of the model. So we would love to discuss directly with you in the evaluation. Via these apps, we also would like to promote the culture of disaster prevention among our communities. Here are some team member profiles for your reference. We waiting forward to have a negotiation discussion with you on 18th of October. Thank you very much.